Did you know you can use ChatGPT to make money on TikTok? Even if you don't show your face, let me show you how in under 3 minutes. First, could you pick a niche? TikTok loves short, valuable content. Think motivational quotes, life hacks, or even AI tutorials. The key is stick to one theme so your audience knows what to expect. Next, open ChatGPT and ask it to write catchy scripts, viral hooks, or even full storylines. For example, write me 10 motivational quotes under 10 words. Boom, you've got content ready in seconds. Now take those ideas and drop them into video editors like CapCut or Canva. Add stock footage, background music, and eye-catching text. You don't even need to record yourself. You can make money in 3 main ways. Join the TikTok Creator Fund or Creativity Program. Promote affiliate products that match your niche. Sell your own digital products like ebooks or templates ChatGPT helped you create. And that's it! ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You post consistently. Want me to share the exact prompts I use to go viral? Drop a comment and follow for part 2.